Hello and welcome to the Accent Bank by Sarah Valentine. My name is Dominic and I was born in Johannesburg, and I'm proud to come from Johannesburg, currently living in Capetown. And this is my natural accent. Okay. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. That probably catches everyone. She sells seashells on the seashore. I parked my car next to the garage. Garage? How do we say it? Garage. If you're looking for it, it's a blue Nissan. The sun is so hot today. I love summer, especially in Capetown. I like to go walking on the beach, but I also love it when it rains and I'm inside and can hear it on the roof. No, I don't. Would you like a glass of water? Water. Yeah, that's how we say it. Water. For breakfast, I would love a coffee. I think that's probably a unique way to say coffee. Coffee. It's a very South African way, coffee. And could I please have some eggs, 2 pieces of toast, and some mushrooms? Mushrooms. Yeah, I wouldn't say mushrooms, I would say mushrooms. I love to eat bananas. I don't think that it's a good idea to be rude to people. Kindness is free. My favorite animal is a cat, but I like dogs too. I'd love to travel to a few of these cities: London, Paris, New York, Los Angeles, Tokyo, Berlin, Amsterdam, Athens, Lagos, Barcelona, Rome, Dubai, Vancouver, Moscow, Singapore, Sydney, and Dublin. Be kind to one another. Lastly, if you want to learn accents, remember to go to actorsaccentcoach.com. Is that you? Now I'm going to count from 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Letters and words. A is for apple. B is for banana. C is for Charlie. That's your son, right? D is for dog. E is for egg. F is for frog. G is for gold. H is for hello. I is for ice cream. South Africa has amazing ice cream. J is for joy. K is for king. L is for lemon. M is for mother. N is for nut. O is for orange. P is for pepper. Q is for queen. R is for rose. S is for Sarah. T is for tomorrow. U is for umbrella. V is for Valentine. W is for water. X is for x-ray. Y is for yellow. Z is for zebra. You can add a short promo of yourself, your business, brand, cause, organization, or even just tell us where you live. I live in South Africa, Capetown, and my Instagram is dom_savoy_, and it's the same on TikTok.